Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Langan Siwi Anggraini, and my opinion about sexual abuse happens because women wear sexy clothes. From me, the claim that is not only incorrect but also dangerously shifts the blame onto the victim, rather than confronting the real issue, the action of the abuser. This narrative has been used to excuse or justify abusive behavior. To begin with, sexual abuse is never the victim's fault. It is an act of violence carried out by the abuser, who makes a conscious choice to violate someone's personality autonomy, regardless of how they are dressed. The idea that a woman's clothing somehow infects or causes abuse is not backed by evidence. Blaming victims or how they dress distorts the reality of sexual abuse. What someone wears, whether it is sexy or not, has no impact on the action of an abuser. A perpetrator will find ways to justify their behavior. But it's never about the clothing. Abuse happens because an individual chooses to misuse their power, and the person, not the victim, should be held accountable. Additionally, the belief that a woman invites abuse by dressing in a revealing or fashionably way reinforces harmful gender stereotypes. It suggests the women are responsible for the actions of men, which unfairly shifts the blame from the abuser to the victim. This thinking not only trivializes the seriousness of sexual violence but also discourages victims from seeking justice, as they may feel guilty or ashamed. Instead of blaming women for their clothing choices, society should direct its efforts toward educating everyone, both men and women, about appropriate behavior, boundaries, and the importance of mutual respect in all interactions. When we stop blaming the victim, we foster a culture where accountability is rightly placed on the abuser. It's also important to recognize that sexual abuse can happen to anyone, no matter what they wear. People of all genders, ages, and backgrounds can be victims of sexual. We need to we need to stop pretending the clothing causes sexual violence and focus instead on addressing the true root cause, the action of the abuser. In con- in conclusion, the idea that sexual abuse occurs because women wear sexy clothes is not only inaccurate but also perpetuates harmful myths that prevent us from addressing the true issues. Abuse of power. It's vital to stop victim blaming and work toward creating a culture of respect, where the emphasis is on the perpetrator's action, not the victim appearance. That's it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.